Want to know how to deactivate plugins in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So we have also created a video on how you can download it, so make sure to watch it. Now, first up, once you've opened up your application, on the top navigation bar, you should be seeing Tools right here. So it should be right beside Team, just simply select it. And once you've done that, here you should be seeing Plugins right here. So that should be right above Options. So once you've selected Plugins, here make sure you have installed plugins. So just simply head towards Installed Plugins, that is right here. And once you've done it, in order to deactivate a plugin, you can just simply select a plugin that you want to deactivate. Just simply select this checkbox right here. And you can see this deactivate button, just simply select it. And once that is done, your deactivation should be successful. So you can just simply select a deactivate right here, or you can just cancel it if you want to, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.